Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a wallet in Spendee. Alright, so first up, go ahead and open up the app. And once done, you can go ahead over to wallets right here. If it shows you this screen, just tap on wallets once more. And you should be able to see an option to create a new wallet. Okay. If not, just tap on more. Now here we have manual wallets. Tap on it. And just tap on add new cash wallet. Okay. Now in here, just tap on name and give it a name. For example, access cash. Okay. Initial balance may be 500 like so. Tap away. Select the currency. For example, I'm going to go ahead and select Philippine peso. Right here. I'm going to tap on it. Now the categories, select all. Okay. For both expenses and income. And don't worry, by default, it will be all selected. Okay. And if you want to share this wallet with other people, just tap on this option. And once that's done, tap on create a new wallet right here. And after that, you're good to go. That is it. I'm going to tap away just for you to see. I'm going to go ahead over to wallets. And here we have it. Okay. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.